Welcome to 4296 Morningside Way in Canyon Lake Hills. We're right here on the south side of the lake. Come on into this gorgeous home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Take a look at the beautiful living area, open floor plan, going on into this kitchen with the granite countertop, gorgeous backsplash coordinating. And we've got a split floor plan, master bath and bedroom over on this side, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath over on the back side of the house, as well as a laundry area on the back side of the house. It is just gorgeous. So when you come through the front door and you take a left, you're going to enter into the primary suite. Come on back and take a look at this beautiful primary suite. It's got the bedroom here as well as the bathroom. The bedroom has this beautiful coppered ceiling and it's got the ceiling fan as well. Large baseboards, beautiful paint color, and come on into the primary bathroom. We've got dual vanity sinks here. We have the gorgeous countertops, granite, that match the kitchen as well. And we've got a very large walk-in closet as well as a separate commode area, which is so nice. It's got a separate door here for the commode area. We've got large stand-up shower and a bathtub right here in this primary suite. Take a look at this amazing kitchen. I love these granite countertops and how they coordinate with this beautiful tile backsplash. The 2 additional bedrooms are right here off of the kitchen, as well as an additional bathroom. We've got the laundry room right here off the kitchen here, and it goes outside to the backyard. Give me a call if you want to take a tour of this beautiful home right here in Canyon Lake Hills. I'd love to show it to you, and it is a beauty. Call me for details, 210-313-1010. Thanks.